Have you ever wondered how to capture the delicate grace of a small bird with ink? I love drawing and painting birds, especially the smaller ones. So today, let's draw and ink together a small bird. Hi, I'm Sneha. I'm a pet portrait artist who does the surface patterns too. Before we begin, a quick reminder to like, share and subscribe to my channel for many such videos. I'm taking a photo of this yellow warbler as a reference image, which I found on Pinterest. Credits of the photo as seen on the screen and will be linked in the description. I'm using a sketchbook which I got from a local shop. To draw this bird, first I draw a reference line indicating the orientation of the bird. Here, the bird is looking down in its own reflection in the water. I usually start by drawing a beak, a simple triangle shape. If you are just starting out, I would suggest to break the subject into simple shapes. So now, after shaping the beak, I take that line of orientation as reference to draw the eyes. We are seeing the bird in a perspective, so the eyes appear closer to the beak. I usually draw the eyes little bigger than what they are, but this completely depends upon your style and how you want to draw it. I want to make this bird look fluffy and round. So again, taking the reference through the beak, I start shaping the body and then add the details. I am not replicating the reference image. But since I have been drawing birds for a longer time, I am adding details which I have seen around. You too can try doing it in your own style or may simply draw as per the reference image. Just have fun and enjoy the process. Since the bird has folded its wings back, we see all the feathers sitting on each other. I am outlining these feathers and the tail. I am drawing from what I have imagined this bird to be, so you will see the difference in the reference and my actual sketch. And now my favorite part. Let's start inking. I'm using a Unipen fine liner. I always start with eyes. I do this because I find them drawing difficult and they always capture the essence of the subject. So they must be drawn proportionately. Once the eye is done, I move ahead to ink the rest of the body, the feathers and the tail. So this was my entire process of drawing and inking a small bird. Hope you have enjoyed the process and would try these methods. If you do, please share your thoughts in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.